Hi everyone and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and you are welcome once more to the channel Crypto Femi. If you like the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. It's your favorite guy. And now back to the charts. Today we would be looking at one of our favorite coin, which is Quant Qnt. We are on the weekly time frame. Binance is our data source, and we love to look at the weekly time frame. We love to begin our analysis from the weekly time frame because we believe that the higher the time frames, the easier it is to be correct. For instance, right, if you just did your analysis via the weekly time frame, you would have known when Quant got rejected here that we probably should see more downward price action. And as you can see, we had a huge downward price action of about 67%. Same thing around this place, right? As you can see, we're saying that if we for any reason break this resistance, right, we have further more downward price action to take. And now we are seeing something probably very good and probably very bad for Quant. In the meantime, right, we are seeing, right, our weekly resistance or our weekly high at $122. So we're expecting Quant to, if possible, push up even to the $122. And if it can break that resistance for any reason, then we should be expecting to see Quant at higher levels, right? If we bring up our indicators are showing us quite conflicting, all right, information. As we can see, our divergence is coming down, which means we still have furthermore downward price action even for Quant, right? So probably we should see furthermore downward price action for Quant in the next few days, right? But if we look at our money flow is actually saying more money is coming into Quant. So there's a higher likelihood that we could see for the meantime in a push up for Quant, which might probably tend to be a fake out or a bull trap, and then we could see further downward price action even for the price of Quant. If we come to our 3 days to even have a better understanding as to what is happening on the Quant in the lower time frame, we could see we came back and we were rejected by our EMA ribbons, right? We came back even for the second time and we were rejected again, which is a very, very bad sign. That means the EMA ribbons is acting as a very, very strong resistance to price, and we probably should see price move back even to the $93. If we bring up our indicators is actually showing us a bullish divergence, probably for on the 3 days time frame for Quants, right? If we see our money flow is not necessarily going up, it's not necessarily going down, just necessarily on the sideways action. So probably we should expect more just sideways consolidation for the price of Quant over the next few days, right? And we know that we have been quite correct, right? As you can see, we were de-risking from our Quant at this place. We saw for the downward price action, and now we are just probably consolidating for the next few days. If we come back to lower time frames to give us a clearer perspective as what we expect Quant to do, we can see that this is a very, very huge bull trap, right? As you can see, we still have a huge and very, very big resistance, first at 122, then at 123. So there's higher likelihood we might push up to the $122 mark or even the $134 mark, and then we could see a further downward price action. But if for any reason we flip this resistance and flip it as support, we should be seeing a higher prices even to the 500 region even for Quant. So we should be looking at support levels even at the $122 mark and then the $133 mark. If we bring up our indicators are actually trying to tell us that probably we should see price move up a bit. As we can see, our oscillator is very, very bullish. Our money flow is telling us some little amount of money is coming into Quant, but some monies are being taken out also. So probably we should see a push to the upside in the coming few hours. So please Don't be faked out. As we said, Quant is a very, very good project. Probably you should just continue dollar cost averaging in, or probably you want to de-risk when we get to resistance level. So if you like the channel, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you and have a blessed day.